much needed shape. You know what, I already started. It was even worse, but I'm gonna box this one. I gotta do something with this. This thing got way too big. Yeah, I'll circle this up a little bit more. This really can't do much. I really gotta clean it here. You know what it is? Not like I walk over here, not like anybody really sees it from the street, but it's just me. I want to make it perfect. I gotta definitely water this, so I just added more soil and clean all this up. But yeah, every day. All right, so I'm trying to bonsai this thing somehow, some way. Try to make it look unique. Then this big, will this be an onion? Yeah, big ass onion or apricot? No, what's that other thing they sell? Cilantro? I don't even know. Everything that expensive little fruit. I think it's Mexican or something. But yeah, I got to do something. So what I'm trying to do is leave the big branches and get rid of the little guys. You know what I mean? And I definitely kind of want to make it unique. It's not going to look like this, but something to that effect where it's like cool. There's just branches kind of protruding out of it, and I'm going to go all the way up. And if it doesn't look good, I just kill off the whole thing. I got no choice. It's just, it doesn't match. It's just bizarre, you know. I effed up. It's just not in the right spot. What can you do? And it grew too fast.